In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's OpenAI integration, which is now available in public beta for sales pipeline reviews. This is a significant development designed to enhance your sales processes by leveraging advanced AI technology. Let's walk through this together step by step so you can start getting the most out of this integration right away. To begin, we need to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. This will serve as your primary resource for understanding the various features associated with HubSpot's tools and integrations. Depending on your browser and your saved preferences, you'll want to head to the HubSpot website and locate the user guide section. Make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account to access all the features seamlessly. A well-populated account is vital here since the AI works within your existing framework. Once you're on the user guide page, look for the CRM button. Click on it. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management tool, is where the magic starts. This component of HubSpot is a versatile powerhouse that manages your customer interactions, and having this organized is crucial for making informed decisions and maximizing the effect of your sales strategies. Now that you're in the CRM section, the next action is to click on Deals. The Deals page is essential for organizing, monitoring, and reviewing all your ongoing transactions within the sales pipeline. This feature helps you visualize the different stages of your sales operations effectively. Here, the integration with OpenAI enhances your ability to analyze and optimize these transactions, turning raw data into strategic insights. After accessing the Deals page, it's time to create a new entry or review an existing one. Look for the Create button and give it a click. This action allows you to set up new deals, a fundamental step in maintaining a dynamic sales pipeline. Thoughtfully configuring each deal ensures you're capturing all pertinent information, which in turn aids in utilizing AI features effectively. Next, navigate to the Pipeline button. Upon clicking it, you enter the section where you can visualize and adjust your sales pipeline's various stages. This area is particularly important when using AI, as it helps in streamlining the sales process and pinpointing potential bottlenecks before they become problematic. Organize this well, as the AI capabilities will analyze and utilize this structured data to provide predictive insights and recommendations. Remember, each of these steps plays a crucial role in enhancing how you handle your sales activities. By following these instructions and integrating these new AI features into your existing system, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of smart sales management. This not only saves you time, but also affords new opportunities to optimize frequently intricate sales operations more seamlessly. So take your time to explore each of these elements in depth, and feel free to revisit the user guide anytime you need a refresher. With practice, you'll become adept at using this cutting-edge integration. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.